Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with BrandTheBoss.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to make money on TikTok. Now, make sure you watch the entire video because I'm going over 5 different methods that everyday people are using to make money on TikTok and how you could tap in and do the same thing for yourself. So let's jump right into it. All right, so the first way to make money on TikTok is by doing affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing actually is, just to keep it really simple, it is you referring a product or service to a potential customer. And if that customer happens to purchase it, then the company will pay you a commission. Now, right here, let's take a look at this quick illustration. This is on my blog. And so as you can see, a customer will visit your website. We'll just say TikTok for this case. And if they happen to click the link that is in your profile of you promoting a certain product and they buy it, then that company is going to pay you a commission. It's really just as simple as that. All right, so let's talk about where you can actually get different products and services to promote for affiliate marketing. So this is a website called ClickBank. And after you sign up, you'll come in here into their marketplace. And as you can see right here on this left-hand side, there's a bunch of different categories that you can choose from. So let's just jump into business and investing. So how ClickBank actually works is they have a bunch of different products that people are promoting in their marketplace, and they pay a certain amount of commission. So for example, we'll say this one right here, Crypto Swap Profit Mines. This one out here actually pays out $860.95 in commissions. So if you promote this product, somebody who buys it, you're going to get paid this amount as a commission. So if you sign up for ClickBank, all you need to do is, once you sign up, and if you want to actually promote this particular product, you just click promote and it'll tell you what it is that you need to do. For this one, this seller requires that the affiliates be approved in order to promote their product. But not all of them are like that. Let's see what this one does. So boom, I click that, and then all I have to do is hit this button right here that says create hop link, and it will give me my affiliate link for this particular product. So let's have a look at what like an affiliate page will look like for these products. So when you're looking at different products on ClickBank and you visit their affiliate page, it basically just gives you a breakdown of what their product is, how much you're going to get paid in commission, you know, all the different, the commission structure. This one, for example, they have a front end $37 product, and they have a few different upsells so that you can see how much commission you can potentially make. So it gives you all the necessary information that you would need in order to promote the product. So you're not just promoting a product blindly. They give you everything that you need, banners, whatever, however it is that you want to promote it. Now, what I want to actually go ahead and do is show some examples on TikTok of people who are affiliate marketers or doing affiliate marketing. All right, so here's a quick example. You have this guy, Chad, right here. He does affiliate marketing. You can take a look at all his content. It's all affiliate marketing related. And then he has a website right here in his bio, which is, I think, to a lead magnet. But Chad, I know, is promoting his own products right now. He's been doing affiliate marketing for a while. And it's usually the thing. Once you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, sometimes you kind of graduate to creating your own products and things like that. But we'll actually talk about that later in the video. But if you click his link, you'll see that he's actually promoting his own product. And that's a method that you can use as well. Now, here's another person here on TikTok who, she's not an affiliate marketer. She's more of a digital marketer. She actually creates digital products and sells them. But either way, you can see the type of content that she promotes as well. And she promotes her website right here in her bio, which takes you to a page that will explain to you what it is that she does. And at the end of the day, she's selling her own course. So that is how she is making money through TikTok. All right, the next way to actually get paid on TikTok is going live. Now, going live on TikTok is actually dual purpose. You actually get to build your following and your audience, and you can sell them through the lives as well if you have a product or service that you are promoting. So that's one way you can actually make your money. But another way that creators are making money on TikTok is getting paid through live gifts and diamonds. So if you've ever been on a TikTok live and you've seen, you know, people on the screen, you see like these little emojis being given to the creators, where those are gifts, and the ones that are diamonds are actual cash. So what you can do is you can actually convert the diamonds into currency, actual dollars. So as this page right here explains, you must accrue 2,000 diamonds before asking TikTok to pay your rewards, and 2,000 diamonds adds up to $10 US. And this is just an instruction of how to actually go live and get your benefits. And I'll put a link to this actual page in the description so you can read this yourself. But this is a way that creators are getting paid through TikTok by going live. So you can sell your own products to your audience during a live feed, and your audience can actually gift you and pay you in diamonds, which you can then convert into cash once you've reached the threshold that TikTok wants. All right, the next method to actually earning money on TikTok is by doing print on demand. And what you can do is go to a website called Teespring. This is a company that basically you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, hats, things like that, different clothing apparel, but you can sell your own designs of those. And so the great thing about Teespring is you don't have to handle any of the product itself. All you need to do is submit the design, and the selling is done on their end, the shipping is done on their end, and you just split the profits. And so what you can actually do is, if you don't already have a design in mind, you can go to Fiverr and actually look up t-shirt designs, and you can hire somebody to design your t-shirts for you. And you'll see that there are a number of people on Fiverr that can do a t-shirt design. You just have to pick the style that you want. And they're relatively inexpensive as well. As you can see, $45, $40, $15. It all varies, $10. It really just depends on what it is that you want to design. And if you already have a design in mind, maybe you want to do your own design, you can go to Canva and design it as well. Now, another thing that you can actually do is you can actually set up your own Shopify store, and you can connect it with a site called Printful, which does the same thing that Teespring does, except you can actually connect Printful to your Shopify store. And you can do exactly what you would do with Teespring. If you already have a design in mind, all you have to do is pick the apparel that you're looking to sell and add your design to it, and Printful will take care of everything else. And all you have to do is link it to your Shopify store, and you'll just put your actual Shopify link or the name, the website of your store in your TikTok profile so that people can go ahead and visit it through there. All right, the fourth way to make money on TikTok is by using shoutouts and brand deals. And the best way to actually leverage that is by going to Fiverr and actually looking up TikTok shoutouts. And you want to leverage people who already have an existing audience on TikTok, maybe 1 million followers, 2 million followers, whatever the case, and they'll actually promote your TikTok profile or your brand or whatever it is that you want to do. All you have to do is actually go on Fiverr and search it up and look through the different offers and services on here and see if they have something that fits your need. Next is you can actually go to the TikTok Creator Marketplace. This is something you'll have to create an account, and I believe that there might be some sort of requirements for it. Not exactly sure, but this is how you're able to leverage brand deals. So what people in the Creators Marketplace are actually doing is they're getting free products from actual from companies to promote whatever it is that they have. So they're getting free products and they're getting paid to promote. And these are how people on TikTok are actually making money and getting free product, is by leveraging these different shoutouts and these brand deals. But you'll want to actually go ahead and create an account here in the marketplace to get more details about that, especially if you have a large following. This is something you definitely want to leverage. All right, the fifth way to actually make some money on TikTok is to sell a course. And a good example of selling your course is by going to a site called Udemy. Udemy is a marketplace for individuals who have a specialty in something, and you decide you want to create a course on your specialty, and you can sell it. And you can charge pretty much whatever you want on here. So for example, say, since this is a very big thing, coding. So say you're very good at coding. Coding is your thing, and you want to actually put out a course to teach people how to code. You can list your course right here in Udemy and charge whatever it is that you want to charge, and you'll make money that way. So for example, this person right here, their course is 18 bucks. And they have over 200,000 reviews. So you multiply those 200,000 times whatever the cost of this course is, and minus whatever fees they might be sharing with Udemy, and that person's making pretty good money just off of course creation. And it doesn't have to be anything super technical. It can be anything in any category, as you can see right here. Maybe you want to go ahead and actually do I don't know, maybe you have a music profile on your TikTok. Maybe your TikTok is all about music, and so you can actually teach music or teach somebody how to play an instrument or something like that. Either way, whatever it is your TikTok is geared towards, all you have to do, you can create a course, and then you go ahead and put the link of your course in your description. Now, another site example of Udemy is Skillshare. It is similar to Udemy as well. You can put together your course and you can load it onto Skillshare, and you can do the same thing from there. And so whatever your TikTok is actually about, whether it's music or photography or woodworking or drawing, whatever it is, you leverage your audience that way. You put your content on TikTok, and you create a course around whatever your specialty is, and you put the link of that course into your TikTok profile. All right, so that's it. Those are the 5 ways to make money on TikTok. Now, hopefully you saw something on there that you can utilize in your business so that you can start generating income through the TikTok platform. And if you haven't already, check out the course that has been on your screen throughout the video. This is only $1, and it's going to help you to increase your leads and your follower count on your TikTok profile so that you can generate more money. But if you like this type of content, please give this channel a subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.